In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zip files inside Google Drive. Workaround, zip files using Google Drive for desktop, optional. If you've ever wished you could zip files directly in Google Drive, here's a simple workaround that keeps everything inside your drive. We'll use Google Drive for desktop, which lets your drive appear like a regular folder on your computer. Then we'll use the built-in compression tools on Windows or Mac to create a zip file. It's quick, reliable, and your new zip will sync right back to your drive. First, install Google Drive for desktop. This is Google's official app that connects your drive to your computer. After installing, sign into your Google account and complete the brief setup. Once it's ready, you'll see a Google Drive location on your computer. On Windows, it may show up as a drive letter in File Explorer. On Mac, you'll see Google Drive in Finder under Locations. That's the place we'll work from. Next, open the Google Drive folder on your computer. You're essentially viewing your cloud files in a familiar window, just like any other folder. Anything you do here, like adding or creating a zip, will reflect in your drive as it syncs. If you're handling very large files, keep in mind they may take a little longer to appear fully synced. Now select the files or folders you want to zip. You can choose one item or multiple. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac to select several at once, or use Shift to select a range. A quick tip, check that your selections are the exact versions you want to archive, and consider giving your final zip a clear name so it's easy to find later. When you're ready, right-click your selection. On Windows, choose Send to, then Compressed Zipped folder. Windows will create a zip file in the same location as your selection. On Mac, choose Compress from the menu. Finder will generate a zip right there next to the originals. You can immediately rename the zip to something meaningful. That's it. The new zip file will sync to your Google Drive automatically through the desktop app. Wait for the sync indicator to finish before sharing or moving the zip so you know it's fully uploaded. If compressing a large set, give it a moment. Both zipping and syncing can take time depending on file size and internet speed. To recap, install Google Drive for desktop, open your Google Drive folder on your computer, select the files or folders you need, and right-click to compress. This straightforward workaround keeps everything neatly stored and accessible in your Google Drive.